Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two AI website builder, which is Jimdo and Appy. So I'm just quickly going to dive into it, starting from the pros and cons about the two websites. We're going to decide which of these AI builder website can be a game changer for you. So talking about Jimdo is quick and beginner-friendly website builder that uses AI to create simple sites very fast. It's affordable and great for personal and small business page, but customization is limited and advanced features like e-commerce and marketing tools are lacking. So talking about Appy also, on the other hand, offer more flexibility with AI-powered design, e-commerce option, and multilingual support. Its template feels outdated and the pricing can also hard up sometimes, and the support isn't as always reliable, which is the customer support. So in my opinion, Jimdo is better for simplicity, while the Appy suits user who want more features and don't mind some rough edges. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.